This is the break. Kadi break up. Jong ki positive cases hapo ka COVID-19 status jong po Meghalaya ke jongi. Arspa lai pun reungut kidi na po SKC Hills. Ki BSF gilong personal gilong sispa propo arngut. Ki Air Force gilong R. Kibai gilong Sanfu R. Hariboy ngidon R4 ngut. Ha East Jante Hills ngidon R ngut. Ha West Garo Hills ngidon Kendai ngut. Ha South Garo Hills ngidon Arngut, ha East Garo Hills Iway, North Garo Hills Iway, but kibla jam haduh Mynta kilong sapun reungut. Kini gede ki break up jong ka COVID-19 status po ka Meghalaya ke jungi. Chair by the Honorable Chief Minister, we have discussed in detail, thorough detail about the problem facing by the workers working in the NEIGRIHMS hospital. Okay. So the government also taken the responsibility to work with the NEIGRIHMS authority for any kind of problem facing by the staff working inside the NEIGRIHMS hospital. That decision also we have taken. For example, today we have also discussed about the letter issued from the Darbar Shnong ki mau kasyang. Okay, I just want to read out the letter for your information. Had already addressed to the Director of NEIGRIHMS, Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute, Health and Medical Sciences, Mau Kasyang Shillong. Arrangement by the Darbar Mau Kasyang to accommodate the local residents working at NEIGRIHMS. With reference to the above, on the behalf of the Darbar Shillong Mau Kasyang, we would like to inform you that due to the prevailing situation in connection with the outbreak of the disease of COVID-19 and its rapid transmission and recent development at NEIGRIHMS, and to prevent the community spread of such disease in the village, the Darbar Shnong Mau Kasyang has made an arrangement for accommodations for the local residents of the village working in NEIGRIHMS in a different lodges, hotel, guest houses located at Mau Kasyang Shillong. In view of the above, the village Darbar therefore requests you kindly issue the order instruction to the local residents of Mau Kasyang, working at NEIGRIHMS to comply with the arrangement as per list enclosed along with the transportation from your end. This is, we have not taken care when we discuss about this particular subject today in our daily review meeting. Also, we have taken care for those staff working in NEIGRIHMS, not only in Mau Kasyang, even those people residing in Nongpang, those people residing in Mokpat, those people residing in Langading, and those people residing anywhere in Shillong area will be taken care by NEIGRIHMS authority and also by the government. So we'd like to thank the Darbar Shnong of Mau Kasyang and Mau Kasyang and Mau Kasyang Darbar Shnong for their greatness and their kind gesture to come forward to accommodate all the staff working in NEIGRIHMS to be accommodated in their own place, in their own Darbar Shnong area only for those staff working in NEIGRIHMS hospital. So we would like to thank on behalf of the government and on behalf of NEIGRIHMS. We are very, very grateful to them, and also thanks to the Darbar Shnong of Mau Kasyang and Mau Darbar Shnong.